In this video, I show you how to reset your Samsung TV back to factory settings. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide.
You may want to go and reset your Samsung TV because maybe you're selling it, or maybe you want to see if you can go and fix any problems by resetting it. So the first thing we need to do is head to our settings. So to do that, there are two different ways. Either you can go onto remote like this, and then you can go and tap on the settings button, which is this one just here. Or if you don't have that button there, what you can do is tap on the home button like this, and you'll then get this sort of navigation bar appear. And all you then need to do is tap on the left arrow here, and you'll scroll along, and then what you need to do is go and tap on settings, then go and tap OK or select. Your settings will then open up, and what you need to do is scroll down to general with sort of the spanner icon, so just use your keys to go down and then go and tap OK or select on general. And then what you need to do is scroll to the bottom of the general settings, so just tap down with the arrow keys, and then we've got the option for start setup. And what this means is basically reset. As you can see on the right hand side, once it's highlighted, it will then say restore your TV to its original settings and perform initial setup again. So then go and tap OK or select on that there. And what you'll need to do is go and enter the pin if you've gone and set one. However, if you haven't gone and set one, then as you can see, it says the default pin is 40. So 0000, and then you can go and start the reset process. It's pretty simple, guys. If you found this useful, please consider going down below and leave a like. Peace.